Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset the passcode if you forget, okay, on your iPhone. So basically, right, I know the passcode, but for tutorial purpose, I'm going to make it lock, giving multiple passcodes. iPhone unavailable, try again in 1 minute, because if you forget, right, you'll be getting this message. So in order to do that, right, what you need to do is you need to complete this 1 minute first. And then you need to put your iPhone in recovery mode. So in order to do that, right, what you need to do is, so 10:30, right, it locked. I think 1 minute it will be unlocked at 10:39. In order to put your iPhone in recovery mode, you need to connect this wire. Okay, so you need to connect this wire, USB wire, to your PC, because we need to connect with iTunes. Now I'm going to put it in recovery mode. So in order to put recovery mode, right, what you need to do is, first we need to unplug this. First, we need to unplug this from computer. First, you need to turn it off. So I'm going to turn it off by pressing this power button and the volume up or down button. Slide to power off. I'm going to wait for some time because it's need to completely turned off. So once it's turned off, right, what you need to do is you need to put into recovery mode. So for that, you need to press this power button, and this volume down button together. Okay, so simultaneously you need to press and hold. Also be ready with your wire. We need to connect it to computer. From iPhone 8, this is the same procedure. Power button and the volume down button together. So when you see this Apple logo, right, you need to connect this wire. When you see this, you need to connect it to the wire. Yes. If you're getting the passcode right options, you need to again turn off and you need to start the same procedure. You need to hold this power button and the volume down button together. So I didn't do it properly. That's why the problem. Again, I need to remove the wire. I'm going to turn it off first. Slide to power off. So it's turned off. Now I need to press and hold this power button and this volume down button together. So I need to see the Apple logo. Do not take the finger until you connect the wire. When you see this, right, just connect it. Don't release the power button and this volume down button. You should see this recovery mode. Yes. So you can see this restore mode now. Super. So when you see this, right, so now I'm going to restore it in iTunes. So open iTunes, okay. So when you get this, right, this restore options, there is a pop-up in iTunes. There is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. The problem may be fixed by updating your iPhone, which preserves your settings and content. However, if updating doesn't work, it may be necessary to click restore, which erases all settings and contents if you backed up this phone. If you backed up this iPhone to this computer or iCloud, you will be prompted to restore the backup on the iPhone. You will need your iCloud password if Find My has been enabled. That's fine, but Find My is disabled in my iPhone. So I'm going to click on this restore. Are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to its factory settings? Yes, because check my previous video. I have already shown how to take the backup. So always take backup, or you can restore from your iCloud. So I'm going to restore and update. So I need to give next, agree. Then only you can remove the passcode. iPhone recovery mode, you can see that iTunes is downloading and the software for this iPhone and will restore your iPhone when the download is complete. You can see the progress here. iTunes is downloading. So it's totally 7.61 GB the software update. So I need to wait for some time. So only 2 GB is completed. and the 4 minutes is remaining, so I need to wait for some time. That's fine. Do not unplug this wire from your PC because downloading is going on. I think it's going to complete. Yes, it's completed. Crossing the file. So till now I didn't mess with this iPhone or this downloading the software. Super. iTunes is preparing to restore the software on this iPhone. That's cool. You can see that extracting the software here. Preparing iPhone for restore. I think it started. I think it will work here. Waiting for iPhone to be turned on. Yes, it's turned on, and here you can see this iPhone for restore. Restoring iPhone firmware. Verifying iPhone restore. It's going to complete. Super cool. Your iPhone has been restored to factory settings and it is restarting. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the iTunes window after 1 minute. So it's restarted. So I should see that on my iTunes. Super cool. So restart is successfully done. Also, I have a backup restored from this backup. So I'm going to choose continue, or you can set up as a new iPhone. So I'm going to click on this continue because already I have a backup. I'm going to choose that date and time. I'm going to give continue. So restore in progress. Restoring iPhone from backup. Super cool. The settings for the iPhone have been restored. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the iTunes windows after it restarts. So iPhone is restarted. I think the passcode also should have been removed. So waiting for sync to start. So I'm going to click on this. Yeah, super cool. So you can see the backup details here. And here I'm going to, so here you can see this restore is completed. You can add a Wi-Fi network. So setup later. So passcode, if you want to create, you can choose now. So the passcode is successfully removed actually. So I'm going to skip these sections. Don't use passcode. Don't use passcode. So you can skip this step and later on you can just provide your password of your email ID. And I agree. And I'm going to disable the location services. Welcome to iPhone. That's it. Now I should see the contacts as well. So I had one contact. Okay, I had one contact that also it's displaying here. Super cool. And even I'm going to verify this. My video also is exist. Superb. So everything is restored and the passcode also is successfully removed. So this is the way you can put your iPhone in recovery mode and you can restore all your settings and including restore your iPhone firmware. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback. Media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.